Hey guys, I'm just hopping on here to let you know that this video is around 5 months old, so even though it's that old, I still 100% stand by everything I say. So yeah, enjoy the video. Hey guys, my name is Leah and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. So I got this in the mail about a week ago. It is the Bondi Boost hair care system. This system is supposed to help your hair grow, and as you guys know, if you've seen my past videos, I've done a lot to my hair and I had my hair basically bleached off, and ever since then I've been chopping it and basically trying to chop off all the bleach parts. I feel like we're almost there, but I also feel like my hair isn't growing. It's not going anywhere. It did get a lot thicker than it was before, I can say that, but I just feel like it's not growing that fast. So we bought the Bondi Boost hair care system. So first things first is we have to get to know the company. On their site, for the first purchase, you can get 15% off if you sign up for their newsletter, which is great. This section right here, it's basically explaining how they're different and how they carefully select ingredients to effectively cleanse while depositing powerful actives to reduce breakage, repair split ends, and maximize length. So if you go to hair, you can see they have a lot of different kinds, but we want the hair growth system. You can buy these things separately, but what I decided to do is I decided to go for the hair growth bundle pack. They have a smaller size and a bigger size, so I use my 15% off on the bigger size bundle. It just makes more sense. Now the price is actually really high, but girl, I was on my last strand of hair, so we wanted to try anything we can. So this comes with a shampoo, conditioner, miracle mask, elixir oil, and intense growth spray. They're free from silicone, sulfates, parabens. They're curly girl friendly, so if any of you guys are, this could possibly work for you. So when I ordered, they actually didn't have a shipping facility in the United States, so my shipping took about 2 weeks, but thankfully they do have one in the United States, and I have bought since this video. But yeah, the shipping took like 3 or 4 days to get here. So I'm just gonna go in the order you're supposed to use these products in. So the first thing I have is the Bondi Boost Elixir Hair Oil. It's organic and Australian made. You're supposed to put this on your hair before shampooing at least 15 minutes. I put it on for 15 minutes, let it sit, and then wash out. Alright, so the next one is the shampoo, and there's some stuff on this. So the shampoo is peppermint flavored. You can definitely smell it when you put it on your hair, but it's not a bad smell. It's not too overpowering either. And you're supposed to use this 3 times a week for maximum results. The next one is, of course, the conditioner. Again, this does have a peppermint flavor, but it's not too overpowering. I honestly hate peppermint anything, so the fact that it's like not overpowering is good. The only thing I could say is that when I was using the shampoo and the conditioner for the first time, like my roots were like tingly. I guess it's because I haven't used anything with peppermint in it. It just really made my scalp feel cool and refreshed, which is really good, but it was just really weird for the first time. The next thing that I have is the Miracle Hair Mask. There's a lot of reviews on this that if there's anything you should get from this bundle, it's this. Apparently this works wonders on your hair. You're only supposed to use it once a week, and you're supposed to replace this for the conditioner. I actually used it. It smells amazing. It does actually feel really soft, which I love, so I'm very excited. And the last thing you get in your box, you're supposed to use this every single day. It's the Bondi Boost Intensive Spray. Everything matches like wonderfully. Like that bottle looks so nice. So you're supposed to use this every day on wet or dry hair. It does not matter. So I've been doing this for the past like 3 days. Everything is very high quality. Like, I love the packaging. It does not feel cheap. You actually get your money's worth. So this is my hair from the front. You can obviously see how far down it comes to. It comes to about my collarbones. At least that's what it looks like from the camera. It's completely split down the middle, so I'll just do that every single time. And then I just straightened it to see how far it could go. Hey guys, it is a couple months later because I never uploaded this video. I am the worst when it comes to editing. However, I just finished using these products in February, so I know exactly my thoughts, my opinions. First off, I love the company and their products, especially the hair growth bundle. I think it worked very well on my hair. As you saw the before and after, I used it for 3 months and the products I bought lasted that whole time. So yes, it is expensive, but it does last you a long time. I wash my hair every 2 days. I use the intense spray every single day until it rang out. I think it rang out like a month into it, but I never repurchased it. So still without that, I did get my results. If you are trying to grow your hair, I will 100% recommend trying this brand. Get the smaller one or get the shampoo and the conditioner, but try it, incorporate it into your system. It's not bad for your hair and it's very gentle on your hair, which is why I could wash my hair every 2 days. I wash my hair every 4 days now. I do love the company, so even though I switched products, I did stick with the brand. I decided to go the curly girl method and I decided to get their Curl Boss shampoo, conditioner, and hair mask. I do like the hair growth bundle better. I think it did the same thing the Curl Boss does, but it made it grow. I feel as my hair has not been growing that much with this, but you can see that my hair is kind of longer. It's like down here, and I did chop it since we're in quarantine about 2 weeks ago. So my hair did grow a lot since purchasing the product. I would say if you're someone who needs to grow their hair faster, I would definitely try this brand, get the 15% and buy the products. I would also recommend taking biotin. I didn't take it at the same time, but I know biotin works. But yeah, other than that, I loved the hair growth system. I am definitely gonna go back to it once I finish these products, and if you can hear that, I am almost out. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I know a lot of you guys who watch my videos aren't subscribed to my channel. It would mean the world to me. I really hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah.